Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadin ke Jingrakhe ke balaya mental Snem ya ke jingdap sispa arpsan Snem jong ke skol Kasih Jaintia Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Ke balas dang nadu bena jiliu jong Snem arja kan reu balala. Ha ke sau terik mentau nailar. Kani ke skol kalapan hap no ekalama jong ke Jingrakhe ya uniu maumer basispa arpsan. Ha kani ke sini bakat do jong kani ke Jingrakhe lai dan langro unong ai boy barang ba jong ke sarkar jela. Dr. Didi Lapang beralong kongsan ha ke jelang. Kat ba ke menteri sarkar ke bakmi ya ketnat ke koi ke khia ha ke ju ke por ke balong ru ke MLA jong kani ke than ikong Roshan Warjri ila long ke sembot kongsan ha ke Jingrakhe khaddo ya ke jingdap sispa arpsan Snem jong kani ke skol ya ke jelang ha kani ke singilas dang ningkong da ke jingple ya ke yang skol ke batmai jong ke higher secondary section da Dr. Didi Lapang hadin kani pat lapan bot sa ke jelang pat ke jilak kai haransan da ke jingruai bat jingshat ha ke balai shimenta da ke khna jong kani ke skol ha kani ke singi lai don langru ki katto katne ki nong snong ki blapan dap ya ke jingpule na kani hi ke skol palapan ko buram ru ya ki no hi kai barem jong kani ke skol.
Students, you are in the battlefield today. Your career is in the battlefield. You have to be there. You have to work hard. You have to succeed. I will prescribe you 3 capsules. What are these 3 capsules? Number one, presentability. Are you really presentable? Having education in this institution, having the background or history. Are you presentable? Number one, at home to your parents. There are children who are not be tolerated by parents. Sometimes parents become a burden to have these children. Are you presentable to your parents? Are you presentable to society and your friends around you? Are you presentable in the eye of the teachers? Are you presentable in the global platform to take the range of affairs in your choices? Presentability, capsule number 1. Capsule number 2, dependability. Are you trustworthy? Can your parents trust you? There are parents who don't trust their children. A mother called her daughter to go for shopping with the one with the assistant at home. A girl who assists them at home. You go with Kong, she said. But the daughter surprised when the mother gave the money to the Kong, not to the daughter. Having come back from marketing, the daughter said, "Mommy, I have got one objection." What is that? I should have got that money with me, but you give to Kong, who is not your daughter. Mommy just smiled and said, "Sorry, daughter. Sorry, I do not have trust in you. You are tested. You found to be one thing. You found that you are not dependable. Young friends, do your teachers can depend on you? Can the country depend on your shoulders to be the pillars of the nation? If not, look back to yourself. Understand that one figure will point out at someone, 3 will point out at you. To correct yourself and to see you are made acceptable, dependable, trustworthy. The 3rd one is humility. Humility is greatness, and greatness is the fruit of humility. You know, Saint Augustine said this word. It was pride that made angels like devils. But it is humility that made men like angels. I repeat, it was pride that made angels like devils. But it is humility that made men like angels. Well, friends, today we congratulate you. You have made this institution to travel 125 years today. And we give the congregation to the teachers, teaching and non-teaching, to the members of the managing committee, to the sponsoring body, that you have been able to run the show and to go on with this. Dear teachers, you are the quiet servant of the country. You are nation builders. A lot of things to be done for you. A lot of justice to be done for you. But you did not care. You didn't argue with that. But what you have done, job satisfaction is your philosophy. And you say, at the end of journey, you look back to service and say, oh Lord, a thing of beauty is really a joy forever.
From the day we run